Hi everyone, it's Damien here from Airfoil, and today I will be showing you how to import a NACA airfoil into STAR-CCM+. This is a common task many beginners struggle with, and so today I will be showing you how to do this, as well as where to get the NACA airfoils from. Starting off with a simple Google search of NACA airfoils, we can see this website here called Airfoil Tools. This website uses formulas to generate NACA airfoils, and is generally a trusted website in the CFD community. So we can see on the left here that we have got NACA airfoil imports, and on the right we've got the output coordinates for, in this case, a NACA 2412 airfoil. So we can just go ahead and copy these coordinates using the Control-C shortcut for this, and then we can go and open up an Excel sheet to paste these into. Let's just quickly put our X and Y coordinates into separate columns using the text to column function and splitting our columns wherever we see a space. There we can just go and delete that first column over there. Okay, we are going to quickly create a column of Z coordinates for this airfoil, but because we are going to do this in 2D, this column will just consist of zeros. We can now go and save this file as NACA 2412. But we need to use a CSV file for this. So we are going to just quickly go back and resave this as a CSV file, specifically a comma delimited CSV file. We can see the difference in icon images over there between the Excel and CSV files. Okay, we are now going to edit the CSV file in the notepad and use the Ctrl+A shortcut to replace all these semicolons with commas. This is a very important step to ensure that all the coordinates are in a format that STAR-CCM+ can read. Okay, we can now press Ctrl+S to save and then close the notepad. We can now open up STAR-CCM+ and open up a new simulation, as in here, where I've chosen to use 8 CPU cores in parallel to run the simulation. Okay, now that the simulation has opened up, we are going to right-click on the 3D CAD models and select New Model, which will open up the 3D CAD view. Right-clicking on 3D CAD Model 1 will allow you to import 2D curves. We can then go and select our NACA CSV file and press Open. Make sure to close the curve, and finally selecting OK will import in your NACA airfoil. This can of course be used to set up the rest of your external aerodynamics simulation. Thank you very much. This has been Damien from Airfoil.